What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Telos. Abbreviation is also Telos, but without the first E, or without the E, T-L-O-S. So yeah, I saw that this token was trending, at least in price. I mean, we're up 32% and the volume is up almost 200%. But it's still relatively low at around 13 million volume. So of course that's not nothing, but that's relatively low. Definitely if you look at it as 5% of the market cap, and 13 million compared with other tokens is just not a lot. Usually I look at tokens with more than 30 million volume, or when they're trending. Telos was trending quite a bit, definitely in price. The project looks good. I checked it. I checked it before and I did some basic research on it, but I haven't really fully researched the decentralization or centralization part, which my assumption is that there are some things that might not be ideal. So yeah, first of all, two quick disclaimers. First one being that this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. And the second one, that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental move happens, then please forget about the analysis, because frankly, fundamentals are still stronger than technicals. So let's get into the technical analysis quick. So what tends to happen with Telos is that it has these great bull runs and then drops down again. So in my opinion, that is also going to happen right now. I think from where we are right now, I mean, we almost reached $1. We reached 95 cents, which is also, believe it or not, a psychological resistance level. So from now, and you can also see it from the candle, we've already found quite some resistance. So we might find some support at around 86, 85 cents. I mean, we could consolidate at all of these supports for a few days, but I think eventually we will drop down to 80 cents, or between 80 cents and 78 cents. And then ultimately my final support would be between 75 cents and 70 cents. I do think that will hold. We might see something like this even, but to be honest, I probably have to update the price prediction by then, because what then happens really depends on the whole price action towards that level as well. But as of right now, I do think that 70 cents, 75 cents area will hold. If I would have to make an educated guess, my guess would be that it drops down to 70 cents, and from there probably consolidate for a week or two. So yeah, as I said, I think we're dropping down there, but we can find some support at 85 cents for like 2 to 3 days, and the same goes for 80 cents, 78 cents. So do expect that, but I think inevitably we are dropping down to 70 cents. I did want to include the scenario that we go up even more. So if we do manage to break that 95 cents, against my predictions, but it's possible. I mean, it's a crypto market. It's very unpredictable, and you should be prepared for all scenarios. Then if it does break that, then my next big resistance area above that, you would say $1 because of the psychological side of it, but I actually think it's more like 1.05. That's also what you see quite a bit with cryptos, that if they reach major psychological price levels, like new all-time highs, which it isn't for Telos, but still it's a very high recent top, then they tend to go a little bit above that. So that's why I'm thinking 1.05 would be the next resistance level, and but yeah, from there that would definitely indicate that it's more bullish. So who knows what could happen next? We could even see a break retest of 96 cents and go up to 1.15. But yeah, as I said, I think this scenario is more likely, but keep that in your head as well. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Telos. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.